This is how the balcony looks like. The amount of space that you are getting over here is very good. Hey guys and welcome back to another video of Common Corridor। तो आज मैं गुड़गांव के सेक्टर 66 यानी कि 66 के MR पाम ड्राइव में। तो अभी मैं जिस यूनिट में जा रहा हूँ दैट इज ऑफ 1950 स्क्वायर फीट की हमारी 3 BHK की प्लस स्टोर की जो है ये यूनिट रहने वाली है। तो चलिए इस वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। आई एम गोना शो यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। लेट्स गो। So this is going to be the main entrance, guys, and you can see this is going to be the foyer area, and this is the speciality in MR Palm Drive. To top of it, on my first left hand side, this is going to be your first bedroom, and this is how it looks like. And if you'll move furthermore, so this is the almirah that we are getting. To top of it, this is going to be your entrance for the washroom, and this can be accessed from the outside as well. तो washroom का concept जो है वो exactly same रहने वाला है, just like आप लोगों ने हमारी MR Palm Drive की videos में देखा होगा। उसी के साथ साथ talking about this, so this is the kitchen that we are getting, and this is how the kitchen looks like. Lots and lots of terrace spaces are going to be there. काफी हमें जो है यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक चिमनी देखने को मिलेगी। To top of it, Kaf's gas hob burner is going to be there. Dual sink is going to be there. That's your under sink area. और अगर यूटिलिटी की balcony की बात करूँ, so this is the utility balcony that we are getting. That's your wet point, and here is the washing machine. So अगर view की यहाँ से बात करूँ, so this is the view that we are getting. So if you will move furthermore, so this is the store room that you are getting. तो ये हमारे बाहर से भी accessible है। उसी के साथ साथ जब हम यहाँ से बाहर आएंगे, again we are going to be here in this foyer area. And now talking about this, so this is going to be your living cum dining section. Just have a look at this. This is how the living cum dining section looks like. Now talking about the second bedroom, so this is how the second bedroom looks like. Just have a look at this. Ventilation की अगर मैं आप लोगों से बात करूं, so we are getting a UPVC sliding window here for the ventilation purpose. And now talking about the washroom, so this is how the washroom and the wardrobe section looks like. तो सामने की तरफ रहेगी guys इसकी wardrobe, and you can see you're getting good amount of space over here. To top of it, this is the washroom that you are getting. That's your shower area. That's your wash basin, and here it's going to be your toilet seat. चलिए अब यहाँ से बाहर की तरफ चलते हैं। तो जब हम अपने सेकंड बेडरूम से बाहर की तरफ आएंगे, अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू बी हियर इन द लिविंग कम डाइनिंग सेक्शन। और अगर बैल्कनी की प्रोवाइडेंस की बात करूँ, so this is the balcony that we are getting. And now talking about the size, so you can see a very good amount of size that we are getting over here. So you can easily put your planters, and this is the view outside that we are getting. तो चलिए अब यहाँ से अंदर की तरफ चलते हैं towards our third bedroom. And now talking about the third bedroom, so this is how the third bedroom looks like. Just have a look at this. To top of it, this is the wardrobe section that you are getting. तो यहाँ पे हमें जो है दोनों ही साइड पे wardrobes देखने को मिलेंगी, और उसी के साथ साथ on my right hand side that is going to be your washroom. So just like I told you, हमारे MR के घरों में आप लोगों को जो है in-house bathtub देखने को मिलता है. To top of it, this is your wash basin, that's your toilet seat, and this section is going to be your shower area. और अगर मैं आप लोगों से balcony की बात करूँ, so you are getting an attached balcony in this room as well. To top of it, this is how the balcony looks like. The amount of space that you are getting over here is very good, and this is the view outside. So I really hope कि आप लोगों ने ये वीडियो जो है वो यहाँ तक देख ली होगी, और अगर यहाँ तक देख ली होगी और इस प्रॉपर्टी से रिलेटेड या किसी भी प्रॉपर्टी से रिलेटेड आप लोगों की कुछ भी क्वेरीज है, so you can connect with us. द नंबर जो है हमारा यहाँ पे नीचे फ्लैश कर रहा होगा। तो मिलते हैं फिर किसी ऐसे बड़ी ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी की वीडियो में। टिल देन आशीष सिंह, बाय।